In Part 1, we explored how AI is revolutionizing healthcare, manufacturing, and retail. From AI-powered diagnostics to smart factories and cashierless stores.
But that's just the beginning. In this episode, we'll dive into how AI is reshaping agriculture, smart cities, finance, and even cybersecurity. Let's get started.
Ever wondered what cities will look like with AI in charge? Smart cities promise to make life easier and more efficient. Imagine AI managing traffic to reduce congestion and pollution. Urban planning will be data-driven, creating better spaces. AI can enhance public safety with smart surveillance systems. Public transport will be more reliable with AI scheduling. Smart waste management will keep our cities clean and green. AI can help create sustainable energy solutions for cities. Residents will have access to personalized services through apps. The future of cities is bright with AI enhancing our daily lives.
Farming is getting an AI boost. Precision agriculture uses AI drones and smart sensors to optimize crops and detect diseases early.
Why aren't more people talking about AI drones revolutionizing farming? Meet AI-powered drones. These high-flying helpers are changing the game in plant health monitoring. Equipped with advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms, these drones scan entire fields in no time. They can detect early signs of disease that are invisible to the human eye, ensuring farmers can take action before it's too late.
Autonomous tractors and AI-powered irrigation systems help farmers save water, reduce waste, and increase yield.
And AI-driven food sorting ensures that only the best quality produce reaches stores, reducing food waste.
Plus, AI-powered weather prediction helps farmers make better planting and harvesting decisions, improving crop yields.
Google DeepMind's GenCast is revolutionizing weather predictions with its cutting-edge AI model, designed to significantly improve forecasting accuracy, particularly for agriculture and disaster preparedness. Utilizing advanced machine learning, GenCast optimizes weather forecasts, supplying more precise and timely data. This breakthrough enables farmers to make informed decisions about crop management and helps mitigate risks from severe weather events. With the capability to predict conditions up to 10 days in advance, GenCast becomes an indispensable tool for emergency responders and agricultural planners alike, ensuring better preparedness and strategic planning.
Smart cities use AI for better traffic management, self-adjusting traffic lights, AI-driven public transport, and predictive maintenance for infrastructure.
Let's talk about traffic management and transportation. AI is revolutionizing how we get around our cities. For example, AI-powered traffic lights are being used to optimize traffic flow in real time. Cities like Los Angeles and London have implemented systems that adjust signal timings based on current traffic conditions, reducing congestion and commute times. In addition, autonomous public transportation, like driverless buses and trains, are becoming more common. These systems use AI to navigate safely and efficiently, offering a reliable alternative to traditional public transit.
AI also powers self-driving cars, analyzing road conditions in real time to ensure safer driving.
What's something people don't know about self-driving cars? They're closer than you think. Level 5 autonomous cars can drive themselves anywhere, anytime. No human needed. These cars use advanced AI, sensors and cameras to navigate and make decisions on the road. Imagine a world with fewer accidents, less traffic and more free time. revolutionizing roads, one drive at a time. The future of transportation is here, and it's fully autonomous.
And public transit systems use AI to optimize bus and train schedules, reducing delays and overcrowding.
AI-assisted parking systems guide drivers to available spots, reducing congestion in busy urban areas.
The financial sector is rapidly adopting AI. AI helps monitor transactions in real time, enhancing security and reducing financial risks.
Did you know that ChatGPT can accurately predict whether the stock market will go up or down? University of Florida proved that ChatGPT can pose as a financial professional. By using AI, the chatbot can analyze news headlines and tell us how the headlines will affect all the companies involved. Have you ever used AI for anything in your life?
AI-driven financial analysis helps institutions make data-driven decisions and optimize stock market strategies.
And AI-driven cybersecurity protects data by identifying and stopping cyber threats before they happen.
In the digital age, AI is revolutionizing cybersecurity, creating a new frontier in data protection. With cyber threats becoming more sophisticated, AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns in real time offers a formidable defense against breaches. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, AI systems can predict and neutralize potential threats before they materialize, ensuring data integrity and privacy. This proactive approach not only enhances security, but also reduces response time significantly. As AI continues to evolve, it is set to become an indispensable ally in safeguarding data, fortifying defenses against ever-evolving cyber adversaries. The future of data protection lies in AI's adaptive intelligence.
AI assists banks in monitoring transactions for potential security risks, helping to safeguard customer accounts.
Imagine a hacker gaining access to your bank account. Scary, right? But don't worry. AI is now smarter than ever and helping to catch cybercriminals faster than the police. Artificial intelligence scans millions of cyber threats every second, detecting patterns that humans might miss. AI identifies phishing emails, blocks malware attacks, and even stops fraudulent online transactions. Recently, AI prevented a massive banking fraud, saving millions of dollars. No matter how smart cybercriminals get, AI is always one step ahead. Do you think AI can completely eliminate cybercrime? Comment below and don't forget to like this video.
AI and automation are no longer the future. They're here, changing every industry.
I'm sure you've heard the news, robots are getting smarter, but how smart exactly? Let's dive in. Thanks to advancements in AI-driven robotics, companies like Google DeepMind and Microsoft are making sci-fi dreams a reality. These robots aren't just mindless machines, they're powered by sophisticated artificial intelligence that lets them learn and adapt quickly. Picture a robot that can fold intricate origami, tidy up your workspace, or assist in the kitchen. They're using large language models to process and understand complex environments, learning rapidly from data on the internet. Sure, there are still challenges like improving how these robots interact with us humans and fitting all that brainpower into existing hardware. But the possibilities are mind-blowing. Imagine robots supporting a shrinking workforce, aiding in disaster recovery, or even caring for the elderly. The future is bright, and it's being built by AI-driven robotics. So next time you think about robots, remember, they're not just cool gadgets, they're game changers. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing tech updates.
But as AI becomes more powerful, we need to ask, how can we ensure it benefits everyone?
Artificial General Intelligence, also known as AGI, would work by possessing the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human brain. Unlike current AI, which is designed for specific tasks, AGI would have the flexibility to think, reason, and adapt to new situations independently. It would draw on vast amounts of data, learn from experiences, and improve its capabilities over time, enabling it to perform any intellectual task a human can do. The emergence of AGI could revolutionize fields like medicine, engineering, and science, potentially surpassing human intelligence and leading to innovations that are currently beyond our imagination.
What do you think? Which AI innovation excites you the most? Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI.
Thanks for watching FutureBond's AI Humans. What's next? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights. See you in the next episode.